If you're coming up the stairs from the Western Wall into the Jewish corridor from the main way, you'll see that there's a huge construction area, and that's because they are building a brand new elevator. It's been in the making for years. There's, of course, a lot of juicy politics and all kinds of stuff that I'm not going to say on camera involved, but there's a fun thing to see when you look at the walls, at the sides. These are a platform for all kinds of stuff, whether it's actual plans of what it's going to look like or signs, ads, but also political, religious stuff going on in the old city. For example, all the women are sprayed out because, God forbid, we should see women that are computer rendered on a thing. It's immodest. That's the one thing. This is probably just a mistake that was ripped off. But then there is this timeline. Now, this timeline is here very carefully made by a member of the Jewish Quarter who really cares about Jewish history being presented from a Jewish perspective. And this is in response to a few very well produced and beautifully made, same theme, same colors, same style of timelines that are all over the Jewish Quarter telling you the history of the Old City. And they're like, why is the history of the Old City limited just to like the Byzantine Empire and the Romans? Let's talk about Jewish presence in Jerusalem from the beginning of history. So that's basically this person's idea. It's from a much more Jewish perspective. They even have the Jewish years, which are familiar to some less. I have a hard time using them, but that's just a little bit of what you see on the walls of Jerusalem.